Let's go skate. Alright, so they're doing some construction at the skate park right now, so I can't really go skate. But I got some people here that are kind enough to say hello to me. So quick shout out to, who am I speaking to, guys?
Aiden, Jordan, Josh.
What's up? Yeah, buddy. Yes. Alright, if you guys can say anything to YouTube right now, what would it be?
Like Spike. Like Spike.
Word on the street is the city of Monmouth is now showing interest in expanding the skate park ever since they've heard the news that Independence was throwing down a skate park as well. I'm not sure about their collaboration. From the word of mouth and to the people that I just spoke to who are working just now at the skate park, we're saying that they're wanting to get the funds in to make the skate park a lot nicer. Alright, so I just came back from skating Madrona. Madrona is just the 3 stair, and lo and behold, once again, snapped a perfectly decent Independence trucks. This is the second time that it's ever happened, and I've tried to contact them via email and through their website, and I have yet to receive any feedback. I am not sure what's going on with you guys, but customer service is unsatisfactory. But as of now, I am switching to brand new trucks. Fortunately, I have these brand new independent trucks, and so after these, man, I'm switching over to a new company because they break too easy. And it was just off a 3 stair. I just finished skating Salem and my fingers feel so fat right now. My skin feels like it's being stretched, so I have to soak them just to relieve them from pain. It's that bad. Snow? In March? We're just hitting the end of February and we're experiencing snow. My voice cracked. Weather patterns have been changing drastically. And it brings up a really interesting topic that I'd like to talk about.
What?
The idea that the weather patterns reflect human consciousness. Some of the more familiar examples would be how the moon supposedly has an effect on human behavior, or as simple as one's perception of reality. If that's the case, does the awareness that's contained within this human form have that much power to be able to manipulate reality? So you might be thinking, well, Julius, why do you put so much credit into the human awareness's influence in shaping our reality. The awareness that is contained within the human form, it is not limited to just the human form. The awareness that is within me is the same awareness that is also contained within an animal, an insect, a piece of twig, Curtis beside me, Nate across from me. It's all the same thing. We are limited to the way we perceive it due to our body's capacity to absorb its external reality via its external sensory perception, taste, touch, our feeling, our sight. For example, if our awareness was not limited to that and we expressed ourselves in human form or a rock form or any other form without the hindrance of the object's perception, we would experience everything the same way. Windows.
What's up my nose?
Boogers.
Well, you guys will find out.
We got one of these thingies.
I have no idea
We'll
what the fuck
taste
these
test
are.
them. And then we got
Drinks.
drinks. 2 monsters.
My goodness.
Yeah, you crackhead.
None for me, dude. None for me.
Alright, this is what I'm doing. It looks like crap, huh? No, but you
Looks
got
like
this
shit.
in, then you go like this. Just go like this. I don't know what they are, but I had one yesterday for the first time. So here,
Get it?
What are those black things inside?
Right here.
That's what she said.
Dig deep.
Man, I gotta try this. So hey guys, we made it to Windows Skate Park down here in Portland, Sandy.
Before you see what happened, okay, we tried going up that a couple times. Went up there, came back down.
Almost hit that, that dodge.
That dodge right there. Trying to back up to come down here. We came down here to park, and yep, you already know. Oh no! And check this out. All right.
Fully in the ditch right now, man.
Oh, look how bad it's snowing. And guys, check this out. Come here. The back left wheel is off of the ground right now.
It's no joke, man. This isn't a joke.
You almost hit a pipe, Julius.
All right.
Oh, wow.
Are we tail?
Oh my god.
Oh no! Look at this. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Oh, my scooter to get down.
This is one weird angle. This car almost hit someone and sped past us and spat water at us. We've been here for about 20 minutes.
So I'm
Came up
scared.
here, almost hit a truck, came back down, got stuck. Now you're getting help.
I don't know how this is gonna work. 40 minutes out here, man. I think I'm probably gonna get in, say, 20 minutes of session. I didn't realize how deep it was. The tow truck driver didn't realize how deep it was either, so he's coming back around. This has been a crazy day. Crazy, but it's beautiful. Look how beautiful it is.
We got racks, boys. Racks. Flexing. Hey.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is the next day, and it is snowing once again. Pretty dry though. It's just really cold outside, so I think I'm gonna cut it for this episode. If you like this video, please let me know by clicking that like button. If you have any video ideas for me to do, don't hesitate and leave it on the comment section below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Julius. And remember to slap that subscribe button as well as that notification bell for my future videos. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my new channel of the same name, for which I will be doing product reviews, unboxings, random skits, and everything else to do with skateboarding. I'll see you guys in the next one. Latest.